Genentech is a regulated company. We're in the biotech. We created the biotech industry and really working on discovering, developing, manufacturing, and delivering therapeutics to patients. So quality, reliability, that's core to our business.
At Silicon Valley Bank, we deal in innovation. We work with the entrepreneurs, companies, and investors that are defining what comes next. This means we have the coolest clients of any bank, anywhere.
For over 40 years now, the Institute for the Future has helped governments, businesses, and nonprofit organizations to make sense of the emerging trends and disruptive forces that are transforming our world.
What really hit home for us was that Silicon Valley was a place of technology, but very importantly, it was also a place for learning about human behavior, and a behavior that is designed to solve the problems of the world, because that's what propels all of those companies. It is that urge and need and demand to solve problems. It was very, very clear that human behavior was the top of their priority. People, for example, in their performance management systems, they would have earned 50% for making your target, and then another 50% for the way in which you behave. Whether you grew people, whether you built strong teams, and whether you were able to contribute to that clustering and that networking across companies. So Silicon Valley was an astounding learning experience for the students. We encourage them to research and to ask questions and to delve into new areas. And they certainly did that. They were able to make connections. They were able to have follow-up meetings and presentations. We had a team pitching ideas at a company. And this is what Arthur Lockjack is all about. Arthur Lockjack wants to connect students to the world and to forge new mindsets that would help us to take our country and our region forward.